Welcome, in front of me is a WIKO U Pulse, and today I will show you how you can boot the device into fastboot mode. To get started, we're going to hold the power button and we're going to select power off once it shows up, confirm it, and when the device turns off, hold power button and volume up at the same time. After a moment you will see the WIKO logo show up on the screen. Once it does, let go of the power button. This will take us to the recovery mode. Now in here we will need to use volume buttons either up or down to navigate, and you want to select second option, reboot to bootloader. Now I do realize that it's named a little bit differently. Instead of being named fastboot mode as it should, it's named bootloader, but once we confirm it with the power button, you will see that it will magically change into fastboot mode, which you can see at the bottom. So that is how you boot into fastboot mode. I'm going to bring it closer just so you can see it clearer. There we go. So that is how you boot into fastboot mode. And once you're done with it, you can hold power button till the screen turns off. So you're simply looking for the fastboot mode to disappear from your screen. And once it does, let go of your power button and the device will boot back up on its own. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.